What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today out here with our gamefowl chickens, man. Some fowl. Man, look at that white rooster, man. We got a blue hen in there. She's growing some. She's gonna be double spurred. These are just mugs right here. Some mugs. But there goes a mug hen on the yard. There goes a half mug, half toppy hen right there. There goes half muff, half toppy rooster right there. There goes some mugs. Oh, free. Oh yeah. There goes a white rooster with a pure mug hen. There goes a pure mug stag, pure mug old hen. There goes a three-way cross mug rooster. Mug, toppy, and hatch. That's what that white rooster is. Then there's two white muff hens. That's just some of my roosters, man. And this is only gonna be a short video, but man, showing y'all a few mugs. There goes half mug, half poppy. Some white. Alright, guys. See y'all guys in the next one, man.